Hello kids, welcome to Hind Education Preschool. Today we will learn birds name यानी आज हम पक्षियों के नामों के बारे में जानेंगे। P-E-A-C-O-C-K Peacock. Peacock means more. C-R-O-W Crow. Crow means कौआ. P-A-R-R-O-T Parrot. Parrot means तोता. C-U-C-K-O Cuckoo. Cuckoo means कोयल. S-P-A-R-R-O-W Sparrow. Sparrow means चिड़िया. E-A-G-L-E Eagle. Eagle means बाज. P-I-G-E-O-N Pigeon. Pigeon means कबूतर. O-W-L Owl. Owl means उल्लू. Thanks kids for watching.